So today is Saturday. I'm going downtown again today. It's kind of uncalled for, but I just thought, why not? So that's what I'm doing today. Still right now, just doing a bit of exploring on the roof of the McDonald's. Did we get here?
We took a bus and now we're in the middle of nowhere.
We're in the middle of nowhere. We're literally in the middle of nowhere. So basically, we were supposed to go and meet up with somebody and they could not meet up. So we were like, oh, why don't we go take a random bus in North Vancouver, and well, now we're in some massive forest in like Lynn Valley or something. Kind of lost, kind of not lost. I don't know. And I think I found that canyon crater thing.
Holy shit, I'm sitting there.
You know, run down. Gotta get down this hill somehow. Okay. With a vlogging camera. This is straight crack. Straight crack. Was actually insane. We went to we took that bus right there to the middle of nowhere, and then we're like walking around in this forest area and we found this massive waterfall. It was actually it's been a crazy day, crazier than yesterday. We're at Subway right now with Rory and Rasley. We came over earlier to go and just like we thought that we were just gonna go to the to Lynn Valley, but it turns out that we actually could do a lot more. So we met up with Rory, and I guess we're just gonna chill here and then head home.
That's my problem.
I got you. Goodbye. Yeah. Peace. Just finished meeting up with Rory. Had a nice long talk. Really interesting. It's really cool to see how other people perceive the cinematography industry. It's really, really cool. So, you guys have to check out his channel, Rory's Life. Little thumbnail over here, link in the description below. I will talk to you guys later. My camera's about to die, but we're gonna go and catch the bus. So, talk to you guys tomorrow. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe unless you don't want to, and goodbye.